Hello doctors, I am Dr. Vijita. Today I am going to give you a brief overview of DNB course. I will divide the curriculum in 3 years, first year, second year and third year. During first year, the first thing you get into the institute, you complete your admission process and then you start your duties. But NBE says that within 180 days of joining your institution, you have to submit your thesis protocol. So if you are sure about your branch and if you are determined that you will take general medicine and with your rank it is sure that you are getting general medicine, then start thinking about your thesis, and within 180 days of admission, you have to submit your thesis protocol to NB. This is the first thing you have to stress on after joining first year as a resident. After that, after a few months of joining, you have to register yourself for DNB curriculum under NBEMS. You will get mail to start your registration process under NBEMS. After almost 8 to 9 months, you will have to sit for one internal examination during first year. It will be conducted by your institute only and you will give that exam in your home center. It will be 100 marks theory examination only. There will be no practical examination. Another thing I want to highlight that if you fail to submit your thesis within 180 days, it won't do any harm, but try to do within that time period. You don't have to pay any fine if you be late. Coming to second year, during second year, if your institute doesn't have super specialty departments, you will go to another institute, the nearby medical college, for your super specialty posting. And outside the super specialty departments like neurology, cardiology, nephrology, you also have to do another 2 specialties, which are dermatology and psychiatry. And there is one NB conducted examination in second year, which is FAT, Formative Assessment Test. That is a city-based examination. That means you will go to a iOS digital zone and your questions will be displayed on a screen and you will write the answer. This examination is fully conducted by NB. On a single day, you have to write 2 papers, 100 marks on each paper. And after 1 to 1.5 months of theory exam, you will also sit for the practical examination in second year. And this exam is exact replica of final year examination. So it will be a good practice session. Practical exam of second year FAT will be conducted in your nearby city. And you will go to another center, another DNB institute for your second year FAT practical examination. By the time you go to third year, you will start worrying about your final examination. So you have to stress on your academics on third year, and this is mandatory. There will be one internal examination in your institute, like 1.5 or 2 months before the final theory exam, both theory and practical. There will be 2 papers. You will write that paper, and after few days, you will also go for the practical examination in your mother institute only. And after that, after filling up the form for final examination, finally you will sit for your final exam. And final DNB examination is held in 2 sessions. One is in June session, one is in December session. And after publication of theory result, if you pass, you will sit for DNB practical exam. And what after passing DNB? You can join health service in West Bengal. You can join medical education service. You can go for SR-ship in any central institutes also. And I am getting queries whether I will be able to join a hospital in Delhi for SR-ship. Yes, you are eligible. You can join there also. You can join in any hospital as a postgraduate senior resident. And you can go for DM also. There is no difference. You can sit for DM examination. You are eligible. Thesis submission is very important for eligibility of DNB final examination. For filling out your form for final DNB examination, your thesis must be submitted within the stipulated date. They will give a date before which you have to submit your thesis, but thesis acceptance is not mandatory for sitting in the exam. Hope this video helps and thank you for patient listening.